What's up? Welcome back to the YouTube channel where I just document my hobbies. I'm Sean Casilli and I live in Panama City Beach, Florida. And today I'm going to show you how to update the garage door remote with your Kia Telluride. So just installed this LiftMaster 8500W. It's a space saver garage door opener, and I'm really happy with how this turned out. It's got a built-in lock here. I'll leave links down in the description below if you guys are interested in purchasing one of these yourself. But there's a cable tension sensor. But yeah, check it out. So the main garage door opener was overhead, as usual, and it came from that little spot there that I got to patch next. So this is going to be a documented process of remodeling this garage here and kind of making it a man cave. But right now, the task at hand is updating the home link button inside the Kia Telluride. So what you need to do here is there's a button here with a home button, and I previously had the garage door remote on the old motor programmed to the #1 spot. So if you wanted to reset, you got to hold these two buttons down, and you can see the garage door is opening because I had programmed it before hitting record. See, when it starts flashing like that, it means it's reset. So now, in order to link up the new remote, this LiftMaster remote here, with the button again, you basically hold this down on your remote and the #1 button again. Should be synced now. Without pushing the button this time, let's see if it worked. There we go. Garage door is opening. Simple as that. So if you need to reset any of these buttons here, you hold down this one and this one until it starts flashing. That'll go ahead and clear the buttons out if you have an older remote in there, and then go ahead and hold the button down at the same time as this until you see it start flashing. There's some other videos out there that made it a lot more complicated than that, but that's how you do it. And another reason that I got this space saver garage door opener is because it is a heck of a lot quieter. Heck of a lot quieter. And if you guys want to stick around, I'll show you all the updates we make in here as we continue to go on, and some of the different things that are going on in my garage. Next up will be how to do this in the Stinger.